see what happened right there? I've had the car break up on me because someone was stopped on the side. It can actually be a little bit dangerous. That's what I really don't like about the modern tech. Like, a lot of guys that review these cars were complaining about the lane departure, jerking the wheel, and stuff like that. It could interfere and potentially cause an accident.